A glitching speaker is often the result of a connection problem that interrupts audio signals. The main causes of this issue include loose wire connections between the terminals on the speaker and the amplifier. If the wire is not securely in place, it may be loose. So it's essential to confirm that all audio and power cables are properly plugged into the speakers. Additionally, damaged or frayed wires can also cause the problem, in which case they may need to be resoldered or replaced. Another potential issue is dust inside the connectors, which can cause the speakers to crackle. To fix this, the connectors can be cleaned using a solvent and cotton swabs, or a vacuum can be used to remove debris. If there are any signs of rust, a deoxidizer can be used to eliminate it. By checking and addressing these potential issues, the problem of a glitching speaker can be resolved.